Now let's add and connect a Z-Wave light module. Note that this process can be used to connect any supported Z-Wave accessory to the UltraSync hub. In the browser, select Menu, and then Settings. From the Settings selector, select Z-Wave Add Remove. Make sure the Z-Wave module is plugged in and within a few feet of the hub. Then select Add on the browser. Next, you'll activate the module by pressing the Program button in the middle of the module. The hub will recognize the Z-Wave module and learn it. Now edit the device name, for example, living room lamp. Press Save to save the changes.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.